Hello, you beautiful people. How are you all doing? This is Deepika Chakravarti and welcome back to my channel. आज का ये वीडियो I'm really excited about this video because today I'm going to talk about a new venture in my life जो कि बहुत ही impulsively मैंने start किया है. Being an impulsive person that I am, being an Aquarian and being the kind of person that I am, a lot of decisions has been taken impulsively in my life, but this time I'm really happy that among all those impulsive decisions that I've made, this is the best decision of my life, I think. I couldn't wait to talk about it. I've been thinking about this thing, that this new project that I'm going to talk about for last 2 months. It impulsively came to me and I was like, I have to act on this. So yeah, that is what I'm going to talk about today. So before I get into the video, I am Deepika Chakravarti. I create lifestyle video, book reading video, book reviews video, and if you are interested in any of those kindly consider subscribing me because it's absolutely free. And let's just dive into the video with that. So before I spill the tea, let's just take a moment to appreciate this beauty over here. This is 2025 calendar. What's your Rashi calendar? And this is what I'm going to talk about today. I'm starting a new business of planner, calendars, and stationery things of that sort. Today I'm going to talk about my journey, how it all happened, and what are the products that I'm actually involving in this. So yeah, let's just see what I've got to say. पहले तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी where it all started. So 2 months back, I was searching for planners because 2025 के साथ, with every year that starts, I am that kind of a person जो कि planner और इन सब चीज़ों में विश्वास रखता है. I feel writing your thoughts, writing down your intentions, writing down your to-do list of the day helps you frame your day in a better way. And in the past, in my channel you would see a couple of videos जो कि साल की शुरुआत में आती है about planners and all that, journals and all that thing. So yeah, that is what I have been really passionate about for all these days. तो 2025 आने वाला है, आदतन अनुसार I was searching for journals or planners and calendars that I could get for my new year. When I was doing it this year, I couldn't fix up my mind on some any planner because you know the planners that are there in the market, yes, they are very pretty, very practical, and they are very aesthetic, but I realized this year I actually couldn't put my finger on one any just one of the planner कि ये planner deals with my requirement or ये planner is something that I would find interested in using. Because what happens is that you buy planner and over the year you just lose touch with your planner because शायद हो सकते हैं उसके prompts आपको पसंद नहीं आए, you don't uh, actually connect with your planner and just आप खरीद लेते हो for the sake of it. तो ये मेरे साथ बहुत बार हुआ है. That's why I was like, this time I'm gonna do a proper research, and 2 months into the new year, yes, that is a good time to do so. So मेरे को पसंद नहीं आ रहा था, तो I thought कि what if I make a planner of my own. Now then again I started thinking कि what if there are many people around there who are actually don't feel like कि ये planner अच्छा है, शायद मेरे likewise mind के भी कुछ लोग होंगे, तो I should make a planner and try to put it out online so that if anyone feel that my planner is practical enough for them as well, they can use it as well. Plus last year I had made planners for me. Those were daily planners. वो मुझे काफी handy आए थे. Like throughout the year I was using them and I actually kind of liked it, and I liked the whole process of making it also. So it was kind of exciting for me. My life has always been aim driven. So pehle I wanted to get into MBBS, so mera that was my aim. Then I wanted to get into PG, that was my aim. And now that I've completed my PG, yes, I'm doing job and I'm actually doing all those things. But I feel I need some more aim driven life right now, and nothing जो कि पढ़ाई के साथ related हो. So that's what I wanted. So I was like, I was so excited about this whole thing, but then I also realized that it wasn't practical, because making a planner takes a lot of R&D thing to back and side पे, और आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि आपके requirements क्या है, and all the logistic has to be taken care of. This there was a lot of thing that had to be taken care of. So I was like कि planner तो I cannot start this year. Maybe next year I can, start with the planner thing from the very beginning of the year, or maybe mid of the year. And so the planners by then had started coming to the market. So I was like, that is not the best time to do so. But I still was so excited about starting the website that I was like, okay, let's just start slow. So I decided on making a calendar. I'm a big fan of desktop calendar, and our calendars is one thing that you see every day. And most of the times what happens is, yes, the calendar that you get from other places, or kind of boring calendars type की भी जो चीजें होती है, या normal calendar, hanging wall calendar and all that, सारे कैलेंडर ऑब्वियसली दे सफाइस योर नीड, आपका जो जरूरत होता है वो मीट हो जाता है. बट आई फील कि मेरे को पर्सनली आई लाइक द एस्थेटिक, आई लाइक द आइडिया बिहाइंड इट, एंड देयर आर a couple of calendars in the market that I feel I gravitate to. But this time, nothing was catching my eyes again. The same thing happened with the calendars also. So I was like, what should I do? So off late, मेरा interest horoscope में बहुत ज़्यादा होने लग गया था. I started reading horoscopes, zodiac signs, and everything. These are interesting. I mean, आप मानो या नहीं मानो, that is a different story. But I'm pretty sure that every one of us, we do look into our horoscope just for fun. I mean, I don't think that you all believe कि आज जो horoscope में लिखा है वो मेरे साथ होगा, या horoscope से related personality के बारे में जो भी चीजें बोली जाती है, I'm pretty sure you don't believe them, but you still do tend to check them out. So at least I do. So I was like कि this time I just wanted some calendar जिसमें horoscope का angle तो हो. And then again, because I'm from a medical background, I was like कि मुझे इसको medical इसके साथ जोड़ना है, medical science के साथ. So how do I do that? So I was reading about all those things, and then I started getting some ideas about horoscope and anatomy of the body. Now the stars, they do align in a way that affects your anatomy. So I was like, "Ki, this is the best thing to do." So I started R&D about those things, and before I could start anything, like I was talking to my friends and about starting this business, and they were like, "Yeah, yeah, yeah, you do this," and but 2 months into the whole process, and I hadn't had any idea कि मुझे बनवाना भी क्या है, बनाना क्या है. So I'm that kind of person. मुझे डिजाइन करना पसंद है. I like bringing everything together. So मुझे I like drawing and all that. I like painting, but this time I was like कि I don't want to paint. So I just want to assemble all the components. So I started working on the idea, and थोड़ा टाइम लगा मुझे उसके ऊपर काम करने पे. देन आई वाज लाइक आई हैव टू सर्च फॉर द प्रिंटर्स एंड एवरीवन. सो हाउ डू आई गो अबाउट ऑल दोज थिंग ना. प्रिंटर, आई एम इन दिल्ली. प्रिंटर्स यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे वो है, बट माई कम्युनिटी इन यूट्यूब और माई कम्युनिटी इन इंस्टाग्राम इज नॉट दैट बिग, एंड ऑब्वियसली आई एम लेट टू द पार्टी. आई न्यू कि मेरा ये कैलेंडर लॉन्च होते होते काफ़ी टाइम लग जाएगा, तो I couldn't risk the money and all that. And जब भी आप प्रिंटर इन लोगों के पास जाओगे, अगर आप कम अमाउंट में चीज़ें बनवाओगे, obviously that will cost you a lot. So I was like कि नहीं, मुझे ये भी नहीं करना. So I I invested some money in the printer. I had a printer, so I wanted to anyways upgrade my printer. तो मैंने प्रिंटर खरीदा. Then I was like कि अच्छा इसके साथ साथ और क्या क्या चीज़ें होती हैं. तो I started watching all the videos on YouTube, and I realized कि there were ways obviously that you can make a very aesthetic calendar. So I was all excited about the whole process. So I started with those, I think. And then I got all the machines, all the manual machines and printers and everything that were needed to bring this together. And I got them, and then I started printing them. Initially, it was difficult because uh, जस्ट ये बात नहीं होती कि आप प्रिंट कैसे कर रहे हो या सब कैसे कर रहे हो. टू फिगर आउट कि पहली बात तो इसमें पेपर कौन सा लगेगा. आई गॉट एप्सन का प्रिंटर, एंड दे कैन प्रिंट वेल इन मैट पेपर्स, एंड अगेन मैट पेपर्स में यू कैन गो बहुत ज़्यादा जीएसएम तक. सो देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग दैट आई हैड टू फिगर आउट, एंड even that process was very very good. And I mean, I enjoyed that process. So once my product was ready, like थोड़ा सा मैंने उसका एक कुछ कुछ कॉपी बना लिया था, then I was like, how to do it now? I have to start with the website. I have to have a website. I have to have a YouTube channel. I have to like कुछ तो मार्केटिंग का तरीका करना ही होगा. नाउ इवन द वेबसाइट थिंग, आई हैड सम फ्रेंड्स जो कि वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं, बट ये ईयर एंड में एवरी वन वर बिजी, सो आई वाज लाइक लेट्स जस्ट टेक दिस थिंग इन माय हैंड, and I started with the website designing a lot. It took me some time to figure out, but I like technical things, and YouTube is a savior, kind of a mini university in itself. So I started with all those things, and there are so many hosting website जिसमें आप बहुत जल्दी बना सकते हो, लाइक थीम्स होती हैं, सब कुछ होती है, so you just have to see कि आपको कैसे edit करना है. And eventually, even if one of my friend or any website designer would have done it for me, I even then I had to learn all those things, because what if I want to add some other product in the future? So that was also there, so it was a fun process. And finally I launched my website on 25th of December. Now, because I couldn't make a video then, also because also I was very unsure कि launching में मेरे से कोई गलती होगी या कुछ उसमें दिखेगा नहीं दिखेगा. I did not do it online. I actually wanted to do it online. I wanted to do it live, even with the small amount of people that we have in our community. I was like excited about that, but मुझे बहुत डर भी लग रहा था कि I don't know, कुछ सही होगा उसमें, कुछ गलत होगा, how do I fix that and all that. So that's why I didn't do this. Today I have my website working. I've got two orders, which yes are from my friends only, and also I have my products ready, so I wanted to show it to you guys. So the catchy thing about my brand is कि right now it's all handmade, because yes, because I don't know how would it scale. So yes, it is all handmade, and because it is handmade I can take care of every small details of the product. So अगर कुछ गलतियां होती है या प्रिंटिंग में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है and all that, मेरे सामने ही हो रही होती है, तो हर पॉइंट में आई कैन लुक इनटू द होल सिचुएशन कि क्या गलती है या क्या नहीं है. एंड इट इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज हियर यू कैन सी हॉरोस्कोप एंड एनाटॉमी एक दूसरे को कैसे कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा आई हैवंट कम अक्रॉस दिस आइडिया इन द मार्केट. इफ देयर आर एनी, आई डोंट नो, बट एज ऑफ नाउ आई वुड like to say कि yeah, maybe it's kind of a new idea in to have in a calendar. If it is not, then those are the people who have come up with this idea. High five. So yeah, let's just go through the product, because I'm so excited. So this is my calendar. And you know what? I'm a very laid back person. So normally what happens is that मैं कोई भी चीज़ अगर अपने हाथ में लेती हूँ ना, anything that I'm thinking of to start, normally वो बहुत डिले होता रहता है कि हाँ चलो कल करेंगे कल करेंगे कल करेंगे. दिस वाज माय प्रोडक्ट, जिसकी वजह से आई रश्ड द होल प्रोसेस, एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई एम वेरी प्राउड of actually. I would love to see this calendar on your study table, on your aesthetic tables, anything of that sort, because uh, the joy of having your idea out there in the market, or out there in someone's humble abode, is something that I'm very excited about. So we have two desktop calendar. I'll show the other one to you, but to begin with, this is the bigger calendar. This is 10.5 inch into 8 inch ka dimension, and yes, this is made on 210 GSM paper. वो सब तो चलो मेरी product details में दिखा दूंगी. And yes, also stay tuned till the end, because I want to show you guys the website that I've created. It has been created with a lot of love. It has been created with a lot of thought. So I hope you'll enjoy the visit there also. So yeah, please just stay tuned. So yeah, this is the calendar. To start with, we have What's Your Rashi. I have named this What's Your Rashi because appropriately named. So yeah, this is the cover, and then second one is a message from me, and then we have the monthly setup. So every month has a picture here. यहाँ पे you can see कि जो भी zodiac sign का मोस्टली वो रहता है, जैसे इफ इट इज जनवरी तो इट इज कैप्रिकॉन, कैप्रिकॉन में वी हैव सिंग एंड ऑल दैट। एंड देन द अदर थिंग्स इज लाइक कि ये कौन से एनाटॉमी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल कैप्रिकॉन जो है वो बोन्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, नी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, सो दैट्स हाउ यू नो दिस इज दीज आर रिब्स एंड knees has been emphasized upon because obviously she is taking support of her knees, so yeah, matlab I have tried to create it that way. Then we have a section of happy holidays. Now these are not just the GH, these are in general, right? Restricted holidays or government holidays and every kind of holiday, because I love festivals, तो वो किसी भी religion के हो, I just feel कि it gives for a feeling of happiness कि आज के दिन कुछ तो special है. So I think everyone of us should know कि आज का दिन क्या है. So I have tried to incorporate as much as possible. Then there's a place for note. Now this is a matte paper. You can write it here, like any of important किसी का birthday है या कुछ भी है, you can mention it here, so you can use it. This is quite usable. And then with every छुट्टी जो भी मैंने लिखा है, like for 1st January, if this Happy New Year, I've tried to represent it with some GIFs, like with some chota chota picture representation. So that is how it is done. And on the other side, so on the other side, you can see what description I've been talking about, the description I've been talking about all this while. So you can see ki if this is the picture representation here, what is it associated with. So yeah, like Capricorn is associated with bones, joint, knees, teeth. So this is the whole thing that is going on. So similarly with other uh, horoscope and months also, this is Aquarius, this is Pisces and Aries, this is Taurus, Gemini, Cancer in July, and Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, and Sagittarius. So yeah, that's it. And every month on the other side has its description, या जो भी वो horoscope represent करता है या affect करता है या mirror करता है with your anatomy has been well described. So yeah, this is my hero product. And I know I'm late to the market, like I said, but you know न्यू ईयर अभी भी आया नहीं है या न्यू ईयर आने भी वाला है, तो यू कैन स्टिल ऑर्डर दिस प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम माय वेबसाइट व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू इन अ व्हाइल. So yeah, please do consider purchasing this. So another desktop calendar that I was talking about जो कि छोटा है, this is A5 size का with stand. ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाता है. So this is the A5 size का. This I have named Astro Body 2025. Similar concept है इसका. To begin with, yes, this is the cover, and then there's a message from me. This is more of a quirky side. Okay, so yeah, this is the message from me, and then we have January. Now every month has the same picture and all that, and on the other side you have the description and everything that I've been talking about. Only thing is कि यहाँ पे छुट्टियों के बारे में नहीं लिखा है, but I still have encircled the GH, तो mostly GH has been mentioned here यहाँ पे. इसके अलावा कोई RH वगैरह mostly I have not mentioned. तो यहाँ पे you have schedule, और अगर किसी का birthday वगैरह है, you can write. Again, this is 210 GSM matte paper, you can write on it, so that wouldn't be an issue. So yeah, that is one thing. This is again the picture and everything is the same, and description is थोड़ा सा different. You'll just see a quirky side of all the horoscope here. So apart from that, I've also launched a few notepad. सारे notepad मेरे पास अभी यहाँ पे नहीं है, but आपको वेबसाइट में दिख जाएंगे. So there's this one to do list जो कि बहुत मिनिमल वो है. नॉर्मली आपको ये टू डू लिस्ट में जो जो आपको करना है वो मिल जाएगा. कोई प्रॉम्प्ट्स नहीं है इसमें, नथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. जो आपको जो आपका दिन चल रहा है आप उसमें कर सकते हो. देन दिस डेली प्लानर. Now, daily planner, these have prompts. So these have prompts like this. Every planner has different kind of prompts. There's this monthly planner जो जहाँ पे वी हैव मंथली लेआउट. सो अगर आप स्कूल गोइंग स्टूडेंट हो या फिर आप पढ़ाई वढ़ाई कर रहे हो, दिस कम्स इन हैंडी बिकॉज आपका कौन से दिन क्या क्लास है, या फॉर दैट मैटर किसी दिन कोई एग्जाम है एंड ऑल दैट यू कैन हैंडल using this. And then there's another planner. What a great day to plan. I've got 6 to 7 planners in the website that I'll show in a bit. Then one more thing that I have got, it is a self-care journal. I cannot emphasize enough कि ये self-care journaling कितनी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ है. Because if you think about life in general, हमारे लाइफ में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती रहती है. You know, at this age right now, I can imagine that the amount of pressure that we are going through and the amount of expectation that we have from people, and while they are not wrong on their side, our reaction to their comment can be sometime you know, thoda sa not that good. So sometimes we need to actually talk to ourselves ki uh, you know, if life looks like that big of a shit, what are the things that we are actually not looking into? Because life in general is very beautiful, you know. Make that a statement: life is a beautiful journey to have. And if you experience any difficulty or any kind of problem in your life, it has some, you know, you always have a backup plan. There is always a backup plan. Maybe you don't know that out loud. So yeah, that's what I think. It is very important to sit by the end of your day and know for sure that your life is a beautiful life by writing it out, because writing is a very, very, very strong hathiyar to deal with all these negativity. This has certain prompts. To begin with, it has a self-care column. I can't emphasize enough on the fact that you have to collect all your flower with thorns and enjoy it, because life is indeed a beautiful journey. So this is the journal belongs to. So this there will be a name, and then this is a self-care journal contract. This is something that will help you to know why do you need a self-care journal, a gratitude journal. Then you have to sign at the end of the contract. So yeah, that's a contract and you can't break it. Then this is dump your insecurities. Now this jar is a place where you feel uh, all this is your safe place, and you can dump all your insecurities in here. No one is going to judge you, no one is going to see this, because this is absolutely your place. This is your secure place. So yeah. And then we have a we have prompt pages for every day. This is self-reflection and aware, where you have 3 things I'm grateful for today. How do I feel right now? What might be the cause of this feeling? What are the positive qualities I see in myself? And what habit would I like to change or improve in my life? And every day there, this is undated. Okay, so if you don't feel like writing it today, maybe tomorrow, then you can do it. Because what happened with the dated journal, with the dated thing, normally, yes, of course, if you don't write it on the particular date, you feel like left out. And then when you come back and you see all the pages, empty pages, maybe 2 3 days you did not write anything, you feel like क्या ये worth it भी है, आप लिख ही नहीं रहे हो. So that feeling I didn't want you to have. So that's why this is undated. And with apart from that, you know, every day जो भी layout है, नीचे there is a formation. It's like, you know what, fortune cookies. I actually see them as fortune cookie. Your a day and your affirmation might align with each other, and you never know. You get your answer, you get the soothing feeling, you get the soothness of the day that you've been searching for the whole day after reading all these things. So yeah, so this is the self-care journal. Apart from that, we do have some bookmarks, and there's this magnet bookmark also. So yeah, magnet bookmarks भी है इसमें. There are few of them, like काफी cute से. So that is something that I'm actually very excited about. The website that I've been talking about all this while, it's called Amateur Pen. Now I would also want to talk about why Amateur Pen. Now you are here to write your immature thoughts, write your pure thoughts, unfiltered thoughts, and you don't have to be professional for this. You're not writing a book, you're not writing poems, or you're not writing anything जिसमें आपको professional ज़रूरत है. And this is a place where you have to know that you can be your rawest form. Your thoughts can be in your rawest form. अगर आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, you can jot down all your गुस्सा वाला feeling, and by the end of the writing, by the end of your entry, you'll feel कि ओ अच्छा ये इतनी बड़ी बात भी नहीं थी, or maybe you had the answer to everything. You had answers to all the um, dilemmas that you've been feeling the whole day. So, writing is a very strong weapon, strong tool to just go through a bad day. So that's what I feel ki amateur pen, I have always been that person who don't have filtered thoughts. I am the rawest person when I am myself. So, that's what makes me feel connected to this name, that amateur. Your thoughts can be immature. You don't have to be a professional to write your thoughts down and get your answers of your dilemmas. So yeah, that's what the name is, amateur pen. And the website is launched already. Then let me take you through the website. तो ये हमारा पेज, दिस इज़ amateurpen.com, और जैसे हम amateurpen.com लिखेंगे, दिस इज़ द साइट दैट आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दिस वाइल. और दिस इज़ द फ्रंट पेज. तो जो फ्रंट पेज है, इट शोकेस अ 3-star प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज़ कैलेंडर, notepad, and self-care journal. And these are the featured products. And as I said, my hero component or my hero product is the calendar, because I actually really really want that to be a part of your desktop. So yeah, so this is how the website look like. And when we talk about the catalog, these are the products that have been listed in here. And you can order from these places. And the thing is कि yes, this since it is new year and ये website भी नया launch हुआ है, तो everything is on sale. So go grab your copy, and do let me know how do you all like it, if you do at all decide to grab it. So yeah, this is the website, and do let me know how does it look. So yeah, with that we come to an end of the video. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the products that I've made. And please give me blessings and your best wishes for this new venture of mine. And if you like anything, do consider ordering it from my website. Also, this is a very nascent phase and I'm learning through the whole process. So अगर कुछ गलती लगे या कुछ भी हो, you can tell me about this in the comment section. And if you have any idea about improving the products that I have made, or about any new products that I can introduce in this website, please do let me know. Hope you have a great new year, and hope you have a great beginning to your year. May 2025 brings you all the blessings that you actually deserve, and may your year be as fantastic as you guys yourselves are. And yes, do consider keeping this beauty on your desktop. Please do consider ordering it from us. And if you do end up ordering it, please tag me with all the product photos, and give me your reviews. And I'm actually always excited to hear from you guys. So yeah, with that, this is Deepika signing off. Bye, and happy new year once again. Bye bye.